Creating things for my kids' room is one of my favorite DIY projects, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make bookends with wood blocks. We're going to be using Aleene's Turbo Tacky Glue, which I like because it dries 50% faster, dries clear, it's non-toxic, it's low running, so it's great for a project like this. All right, so besides our Turbo Tacky Glue, we are going to need some wood blocks. You're going to need 20 in total. I've got some letter blocks and some number blocks, and we're gonna go ahead and stack them and then glue them together. We're gonna start with our letter blocks first. I wanna make sure that they read on the sides. When you're looking at your books, you can see them A, B, C, D. So go ahead and stack your blocks first before you glue them. Now that we know our design, we're gonna start gluing our blocks together. I love that the Aleene's Turbo Tacky Glue package is always ready. We've got a pre-cut top, and the way it's positioned is that the tip is down so that you don't have to wait for the glue to flow to it. Our block bookends are dry in under 30 minutes. I absolutely love the Aleene's Turbo Tacky Glue. All that's left is to add our books. We'll push these guys together. Easy peasy. In less than 5 minutes, we made this easy DIY and it dried in under 30. That's a crafting win to me. Check out how good they look on the shelf. All right, that's it for today's craft. You can visit Aleene's website to find out more about Aleene's Turbo Tacky Glue and get other great projects from creators like me. Make sure to follow them over on social too. And as always, come check out craftboxgirls.com and at craftboxgirls on social. I've got tons of projects using my favorite Aleene's products. All right, that's it for today's easy craft. Happy crafting, friends.